Just 24 hours ago, the 6 crew members had an opportunity to conduct what now has been the traditional change of command ceremony. They gathered inside the Japanese Kibo module for that activity, in which Max Suraev formally handed over the reins of the command of the International Space Station to Butch Wilmore. There were opening remarks from Reid, Wiseman and Commander Gerst. So for your viewing enjoyment, let's take a look at yesterday's change of command ceremony.
Okay, welcome everybody to the Expedition 4142 Change of Command. This is Reid Wiseman. I'm joined with Gerst and Max Suraev, and the three of us are heading out tomorrow. So we just wanted to kick it off by saying a few words. And for me personally, this is the most unique ship with the most amazing crew and the most incredible ground support that I've ever worked with. And it's been an honor and a privilege to spend 165 days up here. And with that said, I'm looking forward to heading home tomorrow with these two. And I'll hand it over to my German colleague, Dr. Gerst.
Yeah, they say this is the most complex machine that humanity has ever built. Now, even after half a year on board, it is impossible for me to fathom how complex it is to actually operate this machine. Now, what I did see and what I'm sure of is that this is the finest example of teamwork that I've ever seen in my life. And with that, well, I would like to say thanks to all the ground support teams and well, all those people who dedicated those hours of work to us. And with this, I would like to hand over to my commander, Maxim Viktorovich Suraev, for the change of command.
Okay, and like usual, these two guys, they just stolen all my words I wanted to say, and you know what, it's really difficult to add something, but really it was honor for me, you know, working with these guys, and great participation from the ground team, and thank you very much for that. And let's do it, the main event of this, and let me introduce a new commander of International Space Station, Captain Wilmer Butch.
All right, thank you, Max. Hey, I want to congratulate you on a great tenure as commander of this engineering marvel. It's nicely done, Max. And to the whole team here, thanks, guys. It's been a wonderful 2 months. We're going to miss you guys when you leave tomorrow. And for the team on Earth, it's an amazing, as Alex said, it's an amazing accomplishments day in and day out, things that takes place here, and it doesn't happen, you know. Commander of International Space Station, I'm truly honored with the opportunity and humbled by the opportunity to have this title, and it's special for me and my family, obviously. But it's a very minor thing when you think about all the people literally around the globe working together for the common good of mankind. And I want to, like as they said, thank everyone as we go forward. And with that, we'll say increment 42 has begun. All right?
Congrats.
All right. Here we go.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you all.
All right. Congrats, Commander.
All right.
Hi, boys.
Hey.
All right.
Hi.
Hey, Max.
Max, you told you.
You did it.
Good job. Good job, man.
Yeah.
Very
I
good.
put
All right, Butch. I didn't bring much to the International Space Station for you, buddy. But I did bring a command pennant. Thanks to Judy for getting this for us.
Wow.
And there you go. I hope you fly it with pride. I hope you fly it
will
with
for
pride.
sure. That is special. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Amazing. No, I had no idea it was here.
Cool.
And there is a view from external cameras on the truss of the International Space Station looking at the Soyuz TMA-13M attached to Rassvet. That is the vehicle that Suraev, Wiseman and Gerst will be entering a short time from now. And from Rassvet, a view of Max Suraev.
Max, you're looking good. Moscow, station on space to ground 2.
Понял.
And there is your departing crew, Wiseman, Gerst, and Suraev. And the final farewells as Elena Serova wishes Wiseman and Gerst all the best for a soft landing. And Barry Wilmore, the new station commander. Suraev and Wiseman and Gerst now making their way inside the Soyuz TMA-13M. The shirt that Max Suraev is wearing came from his children, delivered on a Progress vehicle. Written on the shirt, Best Papa. Alexander Samakutiaev also saying farewell to the three crew members, and that's Butch Wilmore there, saying goodbye to his Navy colleague and NASA friend Reid Wiseman and Alexander Gerst, of course. Final farewells prior to the closing of the hatch.
КС ЦУПу. Пора приступать к закрытию переходных люков.
Приняли вас.
And as the crew prepares to close the hatch to the Soyuz, the vehicle is now on autonomous power. One final picture being taken by the crew remaining on board the International Space Station. Samakutiaev, the Soyuz commander of the other Soyuz that is docked to the station. He was at the controls of the Soyuz for its launch and docking to the International Space Station back on September 26th, when he launched from Baikonur along with Elena Serova and Butch Wilmore. We're going to be losing our downlink television signal from the station here shortly. Again, the three departing crew members, Max Suraev, Reid Wiseman, and Alexander Gerst, are inside the Soyuz TMA-13M. The spacecraft is on autonomous power. Alexander Samakutyaev will be working with Suraev to close their respective hatches just a moment or two from now.
Москвы, верхний зал. Как слышите?
Понимаю вас. Максим, слышу хорошо.
Вот. Отлично, супер. Смотри, по 83-й странице, значит, все, мы сделали пробки на месте, КВД поставили в закрыто, С4 не горит, С6 не горит. И да, здесь GoPro, здесь, соль здесь. В принципе, все.
Все, выполняйте по 85-й ручное закрытие. У нас заканчивается Q-бенд, и мы рискуем не увидеть закрытие по телевидению.
Хорошо, все, закрываем крышки. Все, достать ручку и закрывать. Все, давайте, пока.
One final check by Suraev with Russian mission controllers in Korolyov prior to hatch closure on the camera configurations for the Soyuz spacecraft, both inside and for the exterior engineering view. And there goes the hatch on the Soyuz side. Suraev bidding farewell to Alexander Samakutyaev.